In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is option trading much more risky than day trading? Hi, this is your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And in today's video, we are going to talk about options trading via stock versus day trading. Now that you share some similarities, but there are some major differences when it comes down to risk tolerance, so let me break that down for you right now. Options are less risky than day trading stocks. This is because you can adjust your trade, whereas in day trading, you will need to close your trade out with a small loss in order to minimize the trade's downside. Remember, there is no such thing as a risk-free investment. So be sure to do as much research as you can before making any decisions about which one will work for you personally. The best thing about trading options is the ability to play in any direction, which helps mitigate losses if you have a stagnant or choppy market. With other types of trades, like day trading, a trade either goes with or against your trade, and this means there are more risks that can hurt you financially. Don't discount the fact that day trading is a high-pressure job with many stressful decisions. In contrast, swing traders have more time to make adjustments and have more time for trade to reverse and head in a positive direction, as their trades are usually open for weeks or months at a time when compared to day traders who have to close their trades within one trading day. So when looking at options compared to day trading stocks, which is better? Well, to a point, you can control your risk with both. This means that you can determine the maximum possible loss by using stop losses or defining your risk in option trades. The advantage of options over day trading is that they offer higher potential return for the same amount of risk when compared to just buying and holding stocks. However, this increased level of protection from extreme downside risk does not come automatically. Rather, it must be understood how to use them effectively when deciding on which strategy suits one's needs best. Of course, there are ways to trade options that can result in even more risk than day trading, like if the option trade selling naked calls or something along those lines. Before you trade with real money, spend time researching and practicing in a practice trading account. It's not enough just to know how to place a trade. You need to have an understanding of the risk that goes along with it. If you're wanting an easy way to get started trading options, you might be able to join our exclusive trading group inside the collective.com. Inside, you will get access to our option trade alerts that have our members banking hard and often. To check out the details, head on over to the collective.com.